Welcome, foolish mortals.
Hi, this is Merida.
And this is Jones.
And we're here to talk about Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, which we attended on December 14th. This is a hard ticket event, meaning if you already have park tickets, you still have to purchase this ticket separately. It's held after regular park hours, like the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party and some of these after hours events. The Magic Kingdom closes early at 6 p.m. on party days. At 6 o'clock, no one is allowed onto rides anymore, unless you, who are attending the party, and you have a wristband on, then you can enter the rides. Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party runs from 7 p.m. until midnight.
As of this posting on June 7th, there are still 10 dates in November and 13 dates in December for the 2019 Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. So for the 2019 party, the ticket prices range in price as per the date you select. So for children 10 years old and up through adults, it ranges from $99 on the low end to $139 on the high end. And for children ages 3 to 9, it ranges from $94 to $104. If you have a child that's younger than 3 years old, they go for free. And if you are interested in same-day pricing, if tickets are actually available and you just show up at the gate, you really can't know what the price is because Disney is saying the pricing can only be gotten at the gate on that day.
They will let you in for the party at 4 p.m., even if you have no park tickets for the day. But if you have other tickets or annual passes or something, you can get in earlier, but you can't pick up your wristbands until 4 p.m.
The Christmas party has its own special fireworks event that's unique only to the party, as well as their own Christmas parade.
There's Christmas tunes playing and lighting on the buildings of Main Street that are synced with the music.
Unique characters at party time. Merida and I hung out for a few minutes with Mary and Bert from the original Mary Poppins. Jack Skellington as Santa Claus and Sally were there.
The party has free cookies and snacks like pretzels, hot drinks, hot chocolate. And they had big candy canes lit up to tell you where to go.
They also have a bunch of special foods available for purchase.
They also have Club Tinsel Dance Party, which was a dance party at Cosmic Rays Starlight Cafe with dancing reindeer, elves, and polar bears.
And all the rides are open for the party, of course, too, with lower wait times for rides than you would have, especially at that time of year, which is right before Christmas. We went mid-December, so it could be very crowded, and we didn't experience it, but they were supposedly near capacity, which means they just stopped letting people in.
There were some great fireworks. They were awesome, and we were able to watch them from Main Street, very near Casey's. We wanted to get a little closer up so we could see the 360 aspect of it, but we were kind of back a little, so we saw some of it through the trees. This is one of the only shows where it's a 360-degree fireworks show.
Very cool, very cool.
Yeah, in our case, it was a great view. However, we were downwind, and all the smoke blew downwind towards us, and we couldn't see the castle anymore.
But a day or so before that, we saw a high-up view from the top of the Contemporary because we went to California Grill and we got to see the effect of the 360 fireworks.
Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party and the Not So Scary Halloween Party, both of them, without a day ticket, just with the event ticket, you can still get fast passes in the park. You do have to schedule them to where if you're going to get 3 of them, you have to kind of schedule one in the 3:15 to 4:15 range because they don't let you in until 4. You could have entered at 4 o'clock, had 3 fast passes all before the park closed. After the park closes at 6 o'clock, there's no more fast passes. It's just the party. And then the other fun thing is there is specific merchandise that is only for sale during the Christmas party. This is the same during the Halloween party as well, where you can't buy it during the day, you can't buy it unless you're attending the party. It's a good idea to look for those if you're interested at the beginning, and if you see it, buy it then because it could be sold out later.
There are a lot of features. There are resorts being built and opening. Most notably, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is opening at Hollywood Studios. And there are other improvements and other attractions being opened that are going to draw record-breaking crowds. So do yourself a favor and get there on a weekday before December 15th. What? Oh no, I forgot to tell you. There's snow on Main Street in Orlando as part of the party's finale. See you real soon.